Today we are going to learn about computers. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that accepts data as input, processes data into information, stores information for future use and outputs information whenever it is needed. Where we use computers? We are using computers almost everywhere. In our homes, schools, universities, banks and airports, etc. What a computer do? It accepts data as input and process the data into information. Also store the information for future use. Conversion of data into information is called data processing. Let's consider a normal example to illustrate the working of a computer. Do you know how a washing machine works? What does it do? It washes our dirty clothes. We put the dirty clothes in the washing machine and add some detergent. When we switch on the power button, it will begin to work. After some processing like wash, rinse and spin, we will get clean clothes. Now let's consider a juicer. How a juicer works. We put some fruits into the juicer and add some sugar, water or milk. The juicer will blend all into a juice. Here fruits are the input and the output is juice. In the case of washing machine, dirty cloth is the input and cleaned cloth is the output. Likewise in computers, data is the input, processed data that is information is the output. And the process done by the computer is conversion of data into information, which is called data processing.